One UI 7 update causing serious problems: battery drain, overheating, and green lines. Samsung's latest One UI 7 update is drawing heavy criticism from users due to a wave of unexpected issues. Reports are pouring in about battery drain, overheating, and now, the infamous green line problem. A Galaxy S23 user recently shared their experience on Samsung's official forums. "I've used my S23 for over a year and a half with no drops, damage, or water exposure. But shortly after installing the One UI 7 update, green lines suddenly appeared on the screen. This clearly isn't physical damage, it seems directly linked to the update." Despite contacting Samsung customer support, the user was denied a free screen replacement due to the device being out of warranty. They turned to the community for advice on how to escalate the issue further. Unfortunately, this isn't an isolated case. A Galaxy S23 Plus owner echoed the same experience. Green lines appeared immediately after updating to One UI 7. When they rushed to a service center, they were told the S23 series wasn't eligible for free screen replacements, unlike the S22 series, and worse, replacement parts were out of stock. Meanwhile, a Galaxy S24 Ultra user reported a black screen bug after updating. The screen goes black while switching stories or swiping down to exit Instagram. Even a factory reset didn't fix the issue. The S21 lineup is also affected. A Galaxy S21 FE user posted on Reddit about seeing green lines again after updating to One UI 7.0. "I haven't even received One UI 7 officially yet. This is the second time I've faced the green line issue. Samsung replaced my screen last year after heated discussions, only charging me a service fee. Now the same problem is back on the replacement screen. I'm done with Samsung flagships, I'll stick to budget models from now on." What was once believed to be a hardware fault is now looking more and more like a software-triggered issue, possibly tied to display drivers or thermal management glitches. With battery drain, overheating, and now display failures, it's becoming evident that One UI 7 may not have been fully optimized, especially for older devices. Samsung has yet to officially acknowledge the problem for the S23 series, in contrast to their prior handling of the S22's green line cases. Until then, users are urged to document everything, contact support persistently, and push local service centers for clarification on repair policies. If enough voices speak up, Samsung may be forced to respond with a proper resolution. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.